Welcome everyone back to another quick tutorial on JavaScript. Today we are going over the while loops. The while loops are types of loops that iterate certain code as long as a specific condition is true. To show how for loops are similar to the while loops and the fact that you can convert into either or, here I have a for loop code segment that I am going to mimic using a while loop. So first we have a variable let x equal 5 which is similar to the initialized variable in my for loop. Then I have the keyword while and then parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis goes the condition that will be tested after each iteration. So in my for loop I have the loop end when I is less than 0, so for my condition I will have while x is greater than or equal to 0. Then since we are logging each iteration, I will write console.log x in my while loop. In my for loop, we are decreasing the variable by 1 each time, which will be the same in my while loop as x minus minus. Now first I will run my for loop so that you can see the results. And now when I run my while loop, you can see that the same numbers are logged. An important thing to note about while loops is that if the condition never becomes false, the while loop will run forever, which is why I have my x minus minus here so that my condition is eventually false. Another rendition of the while loop is a do while loop. So first we have do and then I will copy the code inside my while loop into the do section, and then outside of the do section I have while and then the same condition as before. Now the only difference here is that the code within do will be run once whether or not the while condition is false or true. So now when I run this loop, the results will be similar. However, if I had a condition x is greater than 6, you will think that the loop is not run even once since x starts off as 5 which is less than 6. However, as you can see, one iteration is logged even though the condition is not met. While loops and do while loops are used in multiple programs throughout multiple scenarios, so make sure to know them well. That's all for today and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and remember to keep learning even if it's a few minutes a day.